first thing that you check is if your engine speed is correct. Okay? If your engine's running low speed, don't go to the AVR, okay, to fix the voltage. First fix engine speed, then the voltages. Okay. The reason for that is the faster you move the magnet through a coil, the voltage will climb as well. If you're first going to fix the voltage and then fix the frequency, the moment you fix the frequency, the voltage is going to be higher again. Happy. So always fix the frequency first. Happy. Make sense? This units as well, the AVRs, if the frequency is too low, they switch off automatically. They've got internal protections. Because it doesn't help you try and fix the voltage the whole time, but you don't get the engine speed correct. So now you're going to fiddle here with the voltages, okay? But because the engine speed, the frequency is not correct, this unit doesn't work. Happy, so you're not going to get anywhere. Happy with that? Now, if you look in top of the alternators, you'll see connection blocks, okay? This one's got 7 studs, and I think this one's got 8, okay? Happy? How many do you need? 4. Live 1, live 2, live 3, neutral. And neutral and earth is the same thing, okay? I'll discuss it with you tomorrow, what's going on. But typically on your bigger alternators, you've got 9 studs, okay? Happy? So you're going to have either 4, okay? Or like that one that we've got there is we've got 8, okay? This one here we've got 7, okay? Don't worry too much about yours. Explain to you on the